This slide introduces LAOLINQ, a profitable and innovative multi-service app in Laos. It provides access to various services like transportation, food and beverage, healthcare, and more. The app aims to enhance convenience, support digital growth, and generate revenue through various means, ultimately boosting the local economy and quality of life. Next, General Development Spacegate, SG, develops Super App for Laos. This slide focuses on the branding of LAOLINQ as the premier multi-service app in Laos. The name LAOLINQ combines Lao with link, symbolizing connections across diverse services. The motto/tagline is bringing services closer to you. This slide outlines key points for the development of LAOLINQ. It emphasizes a customer-centric approach, diverse service integration, local empowerment, technology and innovation, scalability and flexibility, economic impact, sustainability and inclusion, and partnership and collaboration. The mission statement is to provide a seamless platform connecting users with local services, enhancing convenience and economic growth. The vision is to become Laos's leading digital ecosystem, empowering communities and driving innovation. The motto/tagline reinforces bringing services closer. This slide provides an overview of the multi-service app's infrastructure. It includes panels for the main website, dispatcher, billing accounts, administrator, corporate organization, booking, and service provider/company user. The platform connects service providers/drivers/sellers with service users/clients/buyers through iOS and Android apps, and a web panel, all secured with 256-bit encryption and live geolocation tracking. This slide showcases example service categories available on LAOLINQ, including home services, entertainment and leisure, educational services, on-demand services, beauty and wellness, healthcare services, transportation and travel, food and beverage, and financial and banking services. Each category has numerous subcategories to cater to diverse needs. This slide provides an overview for the multi-service app and reiterates the tagline bringing services closer to you, and services anywhere, anytime. This slide presents financial details and investment information. It mentions the targeted users and committed users. The development and maintenance cost projection is $260,000, covering full development, marketing, and business operation. Spacegate is the primary creator, advisor, and strategist. This slide reiterates the motto/tagline, bringing services closer to you. This slide outlines the roles and responsibilities of Spacegate, SG, as the lead developer and a project investor who oversees strategic planning, market research, and business development. Spacegate, SG, develops the app and ensures its functionality, while the project investor focuses on partnerships, marketing, and regulatory alignment. This slide illustrates the app development timeline of 2 months. It indicates the submission of the app to the App Store for iOS and Google Play Store for Android after completion. It prompts to wait until approval. This slide details the project timelines and phases. This slide reiterates the motto/tagline, bringing services closer to you, and presents a market outlook estimate for 2025/2026/2027. LAOLINQ is inspired by Gojek, Grab, and Foodpanda and earns revenue through a 20% commission. First-year revenue is projected between $500,000 and $6 million. The global market for multi-service apps is rapidly growing. The success of Foodpanda in Laos indicates the potential for LAOLINQ to attract around 10,000 users.